Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Blackmagic Cloud uploads to resolve collaboration. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Ensure you are using the latest version to access all features. Click on the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top left corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Collaboration tab. Locate the Blackmagic Cloud section within the Collaboration settings. Check the box to enable Blackmagic Cloud uploads. You may need to sign in with your Blackmagic Cloud account if prompted. Once logged in, return to the Collaboration tab. Select your desired project from the Project Manager. Open the project you wish to collaborate on. In the toolbar, click on the Collaborate icon. This icon usually resembles two overlapping heads or a similar symbol. Next, go to the File menu and select Project Settings. Within the Project Settings, navigate to the General options. Ensure that, once confirmed, save any changes and close the Settings window. You should now see the Cloud Upload option in the File menu. Click on the File menu again and select Cloud Upload. A prompt will appear for confirming the upload process. Follow the instructions in the prompt to complete the upload. Once finished, your project will be available to collaborators. Encourage your team members to sign into Blackmagic Cloud as well. They will need the necessary permissions to access your project. You can easily manage these permissions through the Collaborate settings. Monitor the project for any changes made by your collaborators. To stay updated, check the collaboration status regularly. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Blackmagic Cloud uploads for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.